ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 93 ஸ்லோகா 6. மா பத்யாசம் தருண்யா கஜ இவ வஷயா நார்ஜயேயம் தனௌகம் ஹர்த்தான்யஸ்தம் ஹி மாத்வீஹர இவ மிருகவன்மாமுகம் கிராம்யகீதைः நாத்யாசஜ்ஜேய போஜ்யே ஜஷ இவ பலிஷே பிங்களாவன்னிராஷः சுப்யாம் பர்த்தவ்யயோகாத் குரர இவ விபோ சாமிஷோ அன்யைர்ன ஹன்யை. Word by word meaning. Vashaya gajaha iva, as the male elephant is caught with the help of a female elephant. Tarunya ma badhyasam, may I not be caught by attractive women. Dhanaugam na arjayeyam, let me not accumulate wealth. Hi madviharaha iva, because like honey gatherers who take away the honey from bees. Anyaha tam harta, someone else will take it away. Mrugavat, like the deer. Gramya geetaihi, which is attracted by vulgar music. Ma muham, let me not be ensnared by superficially sweet words. Balishe jashaha iva, like the fish to the bait. Bhojye na atyasajjeya, let me not be over attached to food. Pingalavat, like the courtesan Pingala. Nirashaha supyam, let me sleep free from all desire. He Vibho, O Lord. Sami Shaha Kurara Iva, like the Kurara bird carrying meat. Bhartavya Yogat, because of having something to be guarded. Anyaihi na hanyai, may I not be attacked by others. Full meaning. Let me not be ensnared by attractive women, as the male elephant is caught with the help of a female elephant. Let me not accumulate wealth, because just as honey gatherers take away the honey stored by honey bees, someone else will take it away. Let me not be ensnared by sweet sounding talk, as the deer is by vulgar music. Let me not suffer by over attachment to food, as the fish gets caught by being attracted by the bait. Like the courtesan Pingala, let me sleep soundly, free from all desire. O Lord, like the Kurara bird, which was attacked by other birds which wanted to snatch the meat it was carrying, let me not suffer because of having possessions to guard. Note: Samishaha Amishena Saha. Amisham, meat. See Bhagavata Skanda 11, chapter 8, verses 14 to 44 and chapter 9, verse 2 for detailed explanation of all these. Om Tat Sat.